Let's move on to the next lesson. I think the main question all of you have is like, how can I add new material, new course material, and how can I delete new course material? You can do that in a very quick and easy way, and I will show you how it's done here. First of all, log in yourself again at studiof1tenth.org. Then select the course where you want to add or delete material. And we are focusing mainly in the first part on this website here on the course outline page. First of all, what you do is collapse all the sections to get a better overview. And this is the content we provided here in this course. And the first thing I want to show you how to delete a so-called section. You see here, this is a section. This is like the overall content we provide. And in these sections, we created our modules. So first of all, what I show you is how to delete one of the sections. That's very quick and easy. You see on each section, you have the delete button. Like here, I'm focusing on Model G. You just click on it, delete it, and then you will get the question, do you want to delete this section? And you say, yes, I want to delete it. And then this section is deleted. And we can do that with other sections too, for example, with module number F. And then this module is gone. So what we want to do now is to create a new section. You see here, the button below is showing you how to create a new section. You just click on it and a new section is showing up. You can enter now the name of the new section and then you have your new section created. Remember, every change you made needs an upload to the new website afterwards, and you will see here showing up an upload button afterwards when you create more subsections. And that's now I'm coming to the second part. You see here showing up to how to add a new subsection. You can just click on it. It's the same with the section. You can create it, new subsection, and now you have created a new subsection. And you can do that how often you want and create more and more subsections. And here as well, you can delete the subsections very quick and easy. But this is just the overall content. This is just the overall structure of our course. The material itself is created in the units. You see here that we can add a new unit, and we're doing that now together. I click on it, and then you see that a new site is showing up. First of all, what we need to do here is give the unit a name. We just name it unit number 1. And then we have the possibility to choose from the individual component. Do we want to add just some HTML text? Do we want to add a video? Do we want to add some slides? Or do we want to add some advanced material like quizzes and more questions? In this case, I want to create a new HTML text. I create a raw HTML text here. And now my text is available. And what we can do now is add more material, for example, a new video. And we see here a new video is showing up where we just need to enter the YouTube link. I encourage you to have a look at the possibilities, what kind of content you can add here, because you can choose from very many different contents based on openEDX. Last but not least, we just go back here to the course outline to have a look at the content we just created. And what you see here is that we have an orange color behind our new section. That means that our material is not uploaded yet. You see here this is now the new upload button, and we have to click on that to publish the content. And you see here what kind of changes we have made. We publish now our content, and what you can see now, we can go to the live section of our course that this new material is published here in the new section, in the new subsection, and then afterwards you see here our unit 1. And that's the quick and easy way to create new content for your F1TENTH learning management system.